Welcome to Cliffy's Kitchen. Another fine episode is here provided for you today. What are we doing? I'm going to be taking you through what it takes step by step in making a very good curry goat. It's a favorite of so many people. You're going to like it, and the steps are easy to follow, so just follow me as I show you what we're going to use and we go through the cooking process. You'll see how we do it. For our curry goat today, notice I have in this red bowl here 4 pounds of nice goat meat. It's clean, it's just washed, and it's looking really good. For the ingredients, I have some garam masala and geerah. These are Indian spices, and I'm also using some Indian curry. Over there I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pimento powder, some black pepper. There's Cliffy's special sauce. We also have some scallion. This look like about 4 or 5 stalks, and we have 5 huge cloves of garlic. We have some thyme, a nice sized onion, and some ginger. These are what will go into the ingredients for our curry goat. So follow me as we go through doing our preparation and cooking, which will follow. Okay, now to put in the prepared seasoning. So here we go. Wow, these spices when come together, they smell so good. Okay. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of Cliffy's special seasoning. Good, could add a little more. Now for these fresh guys here. Alright, let me stir these together first, after which we will come in with our number 1, and that's going to be the curry. Wow, this is looking so good already. And that marsala and the geerah with the fresh seasoning, man, smelling so good. I guess guys, you can see what you're gonna get from this just by how it looks. Alright, let me get into the curry now. For 4 pounds of meat, I'm using 3 heaping tablespoons of curry. That should give us a very nice curry, both gravy and nice textured, nicely textured. Of course, if there will be need for more curry, we will add it, but that minimum could take us through. That is what my curry meat, goat meat looks like. I'm gonna let that stay marinated for at least 3 hours, and then we will come back and take you on board to do the cooking. Isn't that looking lovely? It sure is. We've been marinating now for the last 3 hours or so, and it's time to take it right over into the pot. Okay, so here I am putting some curry in the oil in the pot, and this process of burning the curry, it gives your curry goat and your curry chicken that instant taste that grabs you. And of course, a little garlic to be burned too. And we are doing this for the taste of it. And yeah, this is the real thing. Alright. Are you liking the video so far, guys? Please remember to hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. and of course share it with your friends. Alright, with our pot really ready, notice smoke coming up. That means it's really very hot. Good. It's gonna be the real thing, man. Alright, so this is looking good in there. We are gonna cover up and let it go on, spring in some water to take care of this initial part of it. The pot was really very hot, so we might have to make a very early stir. Not wanting them to be burned. Because the pot was very hot, it's about time now for me to make a stir, so as to make sure that these don't get any initial burn. Let's see what's going on in here now. Wow, this is doing very well. It tells me that I can now lower my heat, let it stay at medium, and just make a little stir, and then we'll cover, leave it to go on slow cooking for the next half an hour, and then we come back and see what's happening with it. It's looking really good, guys, and it smells great. Alright, this is what we have at this point. A meat that looks really nice. It's simmering nicely, and from all accounts it is also looking a bit tender. Let me just try one. Yep, notice it's literally coming off the bone. It's cooked. Therefore, what I'm going to do now is just add some final touches. I'm asking forgiveness for not having Irish potato, but I'm going to supplement that with some spinners. Of course, carrot is a given. You recall about 2 or so months ago, I showed you how we do our spinners. That can use as a substitute to, you know, just add some variety to your curry goat. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I've already put this together. It's about half a pound of flour, and I'm going to make some little spinners here which will complement our meal. Okay, the journey with cooking my delicious curry goat seems like it comes to an end now. Notice how nice it looks in the pot. We have added a Scotch bonnet here to get some added flavor. Notice the consistency of the gravy. It's just right for sharing on your white rice or whatever rice you're going to be having. Of course, this curry goat meal is something that is special in Jamaica. You're doing wedding anniversaries, you're doing other forms of parties, if you're doing a funeral repast. If you don't have curry goat, they are going to be saying, what's the use? So it's really a favorite for Jamaicans and many other people. And how we prepare it in Cliffy's kitchen, I'm sure if you follow that, you're going to end up with a very nice tasting curry goat. Thanks for watching this Curried Goat video, guys. We trust you have found some value in it. If you have, then we're going to ask you to please continue giving us your support. This you can do by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the video if you have not done so as yet. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. While in the meantime, please remember to check our social media pages like our Facebook, our Instagram. There you can see what we are doing. There you can make your request. And of course, remember that whatever you request of us, we will do our best to give you that in future videos. So continue supporting Cliffy's Kitchen. Thank you so much.